Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries Apex Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage dual bindings. In the beginning, go to SteelSeries app. Select your keyboard and go to Dual Bindings. Here is the standard key zone. You can select different key zones. As you can see, we can create maximum 8 dual action key bindings. Select the button you would like to create dual binding for and select function. To create dual bindings, you have to also create dual accotation for the button. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.